The debate over plant intelligence and consciousness has intrigued scientists and philosophers for years, revealing a field where biology, neurology, and philosophy intersect in fascinating ways. Historically, plants have been viewed as passive organisms, lacking the complexity of animal life, but growing research suggests a potential reevaluation of these organisms' capabilities. Plant intelligence is often defined by their ability to respond adaptively to environmental stimuli, a characteristic primarily attributed to animals. Charles Darwin was among the first to propose that plants possess characteristics akin to intelligence, suggesting that root tips, with their sensing and processing abilities, function similarly to a brain. This leads to the consideration of the intricate communication networks within plants. Plants are known to use a form of chemical signaling to respond to environmental stimuli. One example is their response to insect herbivory. When damaged, some plants can release volatile organic compounds that serve as distress signals to other plants in the vicinity, enabling them to enhance their defenses in preparation for potential attacks. This indicates a level of problem-solving and recognition that challenges traditional views of plant life as purely reactive. The question of plant consciousness delves deeper, touching upon the philosophical debate of what constitutes consciousness itself. Some scientists argue that plants exhibit a form of consciousness based on their abilities to learn from experiences, adapt, and potentially remember certain stimuli. Researchers have studied phenomena such as phototropism, where plants grow towards light, and thigmotropism, where they respond to touch, noting that these behaviors could imply a level of awareness. Emerging technologies in neurobiology have begun mapping the similarities between plant signaling and neurological processes in animals, drawing parallels that further the debate. The absence of a central nervous system in plants sets a dividing line in traditional comparisons, but the studies of plant memory and decision-making illustrate an unexplored area of intelligence that prompts scientists to reconsider these definitions. While the scientific community remains divided, the topic of plant intelligence and consciousness opens up new avenues of understanding within the biological world. It encourages a broader perspective on the complexity of life and the myriad ways organisms interact with and adapt to their environments, challenging the constraints of conventional wisdom and leading to a deeper appreciation of the ecosystems around us.